So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clean the old update files from your laptop that has been stored previously. Now in order to fix that, in order to delete that, simply uh, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. That will open the run prompt here. You need to write a prompt that is clean mgr right there. Simply hit enter. Once you do that, select the C drive on your laptop. Again click OK, and here you'll find multiple files, and there we go. There only you will find the Windows update log files only, and if you cannot, simply search for click on this option of clean up system files right there. Again hit OK right there, and let's wait again for the this to analyze the storage that can be cleaned up. It may take some time, and here you'll see, simply click on the here you'll see this option of Windows update cleanup. Simply make check all of them, and again hit OK, and that will delete all the Windows update files. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.